Hello, how you doing today? Welcome to another episode of TDM Eskimo. Happy New Year! So today, I'd like to talk about TextMaker, Samsung DeX best UI desktop word processor. Stick to the end, and I will show you how to add your own personal fonts. Have you been searching for that perfect word processor to use with Samsung DeX? What is TextMaker? Who makes TextMaker? Why choose TextMaker over other word processors? How can TextMaker help me? A while ago, I found TextMaker HD. I didn't like its classic user interface that reminded me of the 95, 98 applications. But I have recently revisited TextMaker, and I like it. I'm happy with the new look. The user interface is just like a new desktop version that you can find in Windows, Mac, Linux as well. So, what is TextMaker? TextMaker is a word processing application developed by SoftMaker. It's a German company. It's a part of an office suite that includes spreadsheets and presentations. The complete suite is called SoftMaker Office, and it comes in for Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. Sorry, no iPad OS or iPhone applications. You can just download it and install it without subscribing. That is 99 cents a month. We're talking about $11.88 a year if you subscribe. Yep, no cloud service by SoftMaker, but you can save to your device, Dropbox, or your Google Drive for free. When you unlock TextMaker, you unlock the rest of the applications too, the plan maker and presentation. So here in the table, if you choose not to subscribe, you have some PDF features that are locked. Some you cannot print, that's locked. There's no print merge. You cannot email out of the application if you want to email the document straight from the application. You can't collaborate because it tracks changes, and there's a form mode. In Plan Maker, you can see the PDF is also locked, print is locked, and email. In presentation, just your print and your email is locked. So for $11.88 to get all the features, to me it's worth it. Because as you can see up here, I can send as email. I can print as well. So what makes TextMaker best for Samsung DeX? To me, it's a user interface. It has that modern look and feel with the ribbon. This experience, I hope, big name brands will follow. So let's take a look at why I feel this way. The user interface, the ribbon. For my 21:9 ratio monitor, as you can see, I keep everything extended. What do I mean keep everything extended? If I go to the home ribbon, I can collapse edit, I can collapse the characters, I can collapse the paragraph, the styles, everything. But for each different ribbon, it works intuitively on its own. Go back to home, all those are collapsed. I like to keep mine all expanded because I have a 21:9 ratio monitor. As you can see, this one goes pretty far. I think this is the farthest one, insert. This is layouts, references, doesn't Not bad. But for a 16:9 ratio monitor, part of the ribbon will be cut off. So that's the ribbon. Underneath the ribbon is the quick access bar. That's this here, where you can save. So no matter where you are on your ribbon, you have functionality of saving, undo, redo, show sidebars or don't show the sidebar. New document. And this here little open the menu in the quick bar gives you that classic drop down menu. And if you look at them, you can see some of the drop down menus in this classic setup. You see the hotkeys that you can use. So if you're a keyboard person, this would be a way to learn some of the hotkeys. So underneath the quick access bar, well, there's an intuitive tab bar. So what is this tab bar to start with? TextMaker on DeX. Welcome to SoftMaker Office for Android. A third document open. Word processor. TextMaker. So this tab bar allows you to have multiple documents open, which is something I hope big name brands will do for Android, is to allow multiple documents open. I have 4 documents open here. You see what I mean? The tab bar is intuitive. I mean, the sidebars are intuitive. When we get to that, you see. So I have them open for this document, but I have them closed for this document. So you right click, close all other tabs, or close this tab, and then this document will close. Close all other tabs and all the other documents will close. So it works like a browser in that effect. But it's intuitive. If you have only one document open, there's no tab bar. But as soon as you start a second document or open a second document, the tab bar will appear. The sidebars to the left and the right are customizable to their features. Meaning, so if I customize them, I go to View, Sidebars, and I can add paragraph styles to this one, but it's gone on the right tab bar. See how it moved? And I go here, and then there's the paragraph style in the tab bar, sidebar. I like it on the other side, so I'm going to move it back. And so they're intuitive also in that if all the features are on one side, page thumbnails, that's the only thing that's left, the other sidebar will disappear. And I click over here, there's my thumbnail preview. But I like to keep the thumbnail preview and the paragraph styles as they were, so I'm going to put them back. So the sidebars are help you to navigate for your larger documents, edit styles and fonts. So in conclusion, to me personally, TextMaker is the best Samsung DeX experience anyone could ask for. And I wish other applications like MS Word, not just MS Word, but YouTube, I feel that's dated. It's not optimized for Samsung DeX also. Not like TextMaker is as a word processor. The UI makes it feel like you're sitting at a normal, full-fledged desktop. Even Chrome OS has a better answer. If you have a Chromebook, you will notice that some of the Android applications, there's a choice in the bar up here. The minimize, maximize, and close up here in the bar. Even Android has a better answer for it. Within this bar up here, it will have a drop-down menu in the middle for phone, tablet, or resize. If Samsung DeX could have something like that, that would be great. That would be beautiful. This is for those Android applications that can't tell what kind of Android environment it's in, whether it's on a phone, tablet, or like Samsung DeX here, that's a desktop experience where you can resize windows. TextMaker compatibility with DOCX files, mostly. With the exception to the TextMaker text art, it seems flawless to me. So, this is this document, not that, this document, opened and closed over. As you can see, we have Arial Black and 30 in the fonts over here. And Word, if we check the same thing out for TextMaker, going back to Home, Arial Black at 30. And you can see there's also a red bar on top and bottom. And a red bar on top and bottom TextMaker. So I created this document in TextMaker. And then I saved it and I opened it up in Word. The only thing you see here, the text art in TextMaker is there because this is where I created it in its native application. And there's a text art object. But over here in Word doesn't see the text art object. It's not like Word art in Microsoft Word that you would have on a desktop. So it sees everything else. My normal text times New Roman at 12. And over here, my normal text at times New Roman at 12. Even the bullets formatted over. And the color formatted over. You can see it's bold and underlined in the red. So mostly, TextMaker is Word compatible, mostly, with the exception of some of the things that are for TextMaker. The text art doesn't really transfer over to Word, and that's because it's for TextMaker and not Word. Tongue twisted. So let's install your own personal true type fonts. So how do we do that? We go to File, we go to Options, and over here we have Systems. And user-defined font path. So when I used my files, I went to internal storage, download, and I downloaded my font folder, and I put all my fonts in there. But this is the Android layer of a file directory. That's not how it's really seen by TextMaker. TextMaker is seeing the Linux version of a file directory. So what do I mean? You see internal memory, download fonts. Internal storage, download fonts. Pretty similar, but not the same. So if we go to properties, there's where we get our proper answer. Root directory / storage / emulated / 0 / download. And then within that downloads is my fonts. So that's how you have to type in your user-defined font paths. Because TextMaker is seeing the Linux layer of the path and not the Android layer of the folder path. Thank you. Have a great day.